The last part of the project is creating a haiku poem for our Arctic winter landscape and animal painting. We are going to use some of the words that we used at the beginning of the lesson when we looked at all those Arctic landscapes to help inspire our pictures. And we're going to describe our animal as well. So to make a haiku, we're going to have to focus on syllables. A syllable is a part of a word pronounced as a unit. It is usually made up of a vowel alone or a vowel with one or more consonants. The word syllable has 3 syllables. Syllable. Haiku is a traditional form of Japanese poetry. Haiku poems consist of 3 lines. Here is an example of a haiku poetry. Green and speckled legs hop on logs and lily pads, splash in cool water. How many syllables are in each line of the example? Use a dash to separate each syllable. Green has 1 syllable, and speckled has 2 legs. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 syllables. Okay. Hop on logs, and lily has 2 pads. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 syllables. And splash is 1 in cool. Water has 2. So we have 5 again. So the pattern goes 5, 7, 5, and there's only 3 lines. What do you think the haiku is describing? I think it's describing a frog. Okay. The first and last lines of the haiku have 5 syllables, and the middle line has 7 syllables. Here's a haiku to help you remember. I am first with 5, then 7 in the middle, 5 again to end. So on the back of our worksheet, this is where you're going to take your words, and looking at your picture, you're going to write a haiku to describe it. Okay? So 5, 7, 5. Let's look at mine. Bear travels along. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Singing, that's 2. Colors, 2 more, that's 4. Rejoice in, that's 3 more. So I have 7 there. A majestic sky. So I have 5 for my last line. Now I would like you to write yours, to practice it out here. Check in with me, and then we'll write it nicely and neatly onto our picture. Great job.